So this just literally came today looking all beat up like this. Hello beautiful people of the internet, welcome back to my channel. Hope everybody has been doing well. In today's video, as you can already tell from the title, we are going to do a review as well as a first impression on a Marni wallet that I just recently got. It literally just came in today and the box is looking rough, okay? This is what the box looked like. I don't understand why. Like, look at this. Look at this. It's just so sad for such a beautiful box. Why did this happen? Anyway, so it recently just came and I'm super excited about it. I got it actually because I was intended to go on a trip in July and I just wanted to get a feel for it and wanted to pick it up so maybe I can use it during that trip. Luckily enough, inside of it though, the box containing it is still perfectly in good shape. Very nice looking. It's like a linen box. It has a beige tone to it and then some brown strip across here. And then this is what it looks like in the back. Very basic, just an ordinary corporate box, but very nice. Thus, inside of this box is just some tissue paper cushioning the smaller box all around, and then it just has some receipt and other paperwork that welcoming you to the Marni family. Alright, so as you can see, this little box right here contains my little wallet that I got, and to open it, you guys ready? This is what it looks like on the inside. You can see that it has the dust bag right here that says Marni. Super cute, just a thin cloth like little dust bag right here. And then this little card right here tells you the model number and everything about the wallet, bovine leather, etc. You guys ready? This is what the wallet looks like. It's just a basic black and tan wallet. I thought this was going to be very useful when I go on my trip in July, and I was going to bring it around. It's lightweight and it can still carry passport, receipts, or little money here and there. I can stick it in there and it has lots of pockets. So that's the reason why I decided to get it. It looks really cute on the website, on the model. So I thought, yay, I was going to pick it up, but now that I'm looking at it, it seemed mighty thin and I'm just not sure if this is going to give me enough space whenever I'm traveling. So I'm having second thoughts about it. Anyway, so this is what it looks like. It is a tricolor, is it tricolor? Yes, tricolor flap handbag like so. And it has this beige color on top as in one flap. And then it also has the black flap, which is another flap. And then at the bottom, it has a darker beige color, which is the last flap right there, like so. So it has three flaps like so. And then in the back, it has this cute little zipper right here that you can quickly just stuff whatever you need inside. And then it also comes with a little shoulder straps like so. Let's go into this little wallet dimension right here. It measures around 7 inches in length, around 3.75 inches in height, and around 0.5 inches in depth. It's very slim, as you can see. Probably it's not going to be able to fit too much in there, but let's see in just a minute. And then in the back, like I said, it has this little zipper with the gold tone like so. Seems pretty cute. Let me see. Oh, the zipper is a little bit sticky. That is a killer for me. Anyway, so in front of the bag, it just has the Marni symbol right there that's embossed on there in gold leathering like so. And then the leather material is bovine leather, calfskin, very smooth, and then it has this Saffiano treated leather flap on top, and then the smooth leather on this part, and this flap right here. All right, so let's dig into the first flap. All right, so for the first flap, it is going to be like this, as you can see. This is linen. No, it's a nylon lining like so. You hear that? And then it just has that space lining right there. And then it says made in Italy right there, embossed on there also. And then the other flap, the black flap, It's the same thing. It's just another compartment that's lined in this black nylon right there. And then the last compartment right here is also lined in nylon, like so. I do think that this is super, super cute, and it's definitely going to make such a cute clutch as well. Something small for you to carry to special occasions or weddings or whatever it is. I think it's just so cute. Don't you think so? Like under the arm. It's a little bit small for under the arm, but maybe as a clutch where you held onto it like so. But I'm going to go into what can fit in it in just a little bit. The straps right here is in this gold tone hardware as well. And then it's the beige leather, bovine leather, and it has the glazing on the side like so. And the stitching seems pretty nice and consistent. That's the reason I love designer handbags, is because the quality is just so nice on them, and nothing is really missed on these small little details is what counts for me. Anyway, so the shoulder drops on the straps is around 21 inches. And let me just put it through. This is what it looks like when I have the straps on, just kind of dangling like this. Super cute, don't you think so? Small and lightweight, easy for travel. But what do you guys think? Do you think it's too small? I don't know. I don't want to keep it in regret that I got something that's not going to be very usable for me. I don't know. What do you think? Next, I'm going to show you what is going to be able to fit into this little wallet right here so that we can see what the size is supposed to be. So first off, I'm going to, in this big compartment right here, I'll put my phone in there. And that fits in snugly like so. And so I'm gonna zip that up. And then for the second compartment, let's try to see if I can fit my little key holder in there. It has one card in here also, so I can able to do that, and it has a little bit of space left over here. So with that, let's see if I can fit in this little lip balm as well inside. Woo, that's tight. So that might not be able to fit. Okay, so that's not gonna fit. So let's see what else is gonna fit. You think this is gonna fit? No. Let's see. Yep, that fits. If I can zip it back. Okay, so that's able to fit in here. And then the last compartment right here, wonder. So it's pretty tight as of right now with the key holder, the little makeup pot, and then my phone is already taking up a lot of space. There's not a lot of space left in here, but let's see if I can put my little lipstick inside as well. So I'm gonna put it there and see if it's gonna be able to. No, oh, it might. Okay. Oh. So this is what it looks like after I put the stuff in the 3 different compartments. It did stretch out the size a little bit, like so. So it's not too nice looking anymore. However, it still fits and it's not super heavy. So this is what it looks like if you were to carry it on your body, like so. Alright guys, so as you can see, those are some of the items that I have around here just to give you an idea what can fit in here. So hopefully you can understand the sizing and to choose for yourself if this is something that's going to work out for you. For me though, I think it's a little bit too small and a little bit too compact. I think I'm needing something with a little bit more depth so I can fit just a tiny bit more to carry around with me. So I'm thinking that I might have to return this little flap right here. Kind of sad. I do like it. I love the concept. I love the quality. I think the quality is awesome. So let's go into the pros of this. The pro is that it is very compact, quite light. The leather is very nice. Quality is very nice. The stitching as well. The tri-color is something a little different for me, and I like that. It gives it a little bit of an interesting twist onto just a basic neutral color bag. So that's something that I really like. The strap itself is not too long, and I think it's a nice crossbody strap. So I'm okay with that as well. The hardware seems nice. The gold is a little little bit bright. I do wish that it's not as bright of a gold hardware, but there are minimal gold hardware on here, so that's okay as well. This bag is just more of leather and less hardware on it, so that's a pro for me. I really like that. It keeps it simple. Also, I quite like the concept of 3 different flaps. It gives you a little bit more versatility as to what you're going to separate out and what to, when you're traveling, you kind of know what you're keeping in what compartment, so that it makes it a lot easier when you travel. So that is definitely, those are the pros for me. The cons to this, I think, is definitely the spacing in it. Even though I knew that it wasn't going to be something that's really big and I can't fit my whole house and everything in here. However, for a wallet, I kind of would like a little bit more depth, because I feel like when you have a bag that has a little bit more depth, you are able to overstuff it just a little bit more and carry more stuff around with you. With that being said, I do understand that it is a wallet on chain, and I do understand that it's designed to be light and designed to be small. And the other con to this, I have to say, is the zipper. It is not smooth to me. It's quite sticky and it's really hard to get it across. As you can see, I kind of have to drag it across. That would drive me bonkers. I do not like to get handbags that have sticky zippers. It tells me that the quality of the zipper is horrendous, and so that's something that always throws me off. So that's another reason why I feel like I'm not going to keep this. But if I think it's super cute, if you're into something small, I think this will probably work out for you. But for me, it's just not this time. So basically, that is everything I wanted to talk to you about this first impression, as well as mini review of the Marni trifold clutch or wallet right here. If you have any questions, I'll link it down below, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so we can see each other in the next one. See you later. Bye.